Morning. Good morning, students. Welcome to EVS online class. See, in previous class, we started the lesson food we eat. That is lesson number 3, food we eat. We started already. So, we know why food is important. Why do we need food? Then sources of food. Isn't children, why food is important? Yes. Why do we need food? We need food to live. Isn't children? Without food, we can't live. So, food gives us energy. Why food is important? It gives us energy to work, to play, to come to the school, to do all other activities. Isn't it, children? Yes. And also it helps us to grow and remain strong and healthy against from the diseases. That's why food is very important to us. And we know the sources of food. So where we get food? We get from plants and animals. The sources of food are plants and animals. From plants, we get some directly as a plant we are using as a food, and parts of the plant, some parts of the plants we are using as food. See, directly plants means, methi leaf, spinach, coriander leaf. So these are all curry leaves. So these are all we get directly as a part, as a directly plant. So we are eating as a direct plant. So as a food, but some parts of the plant we are eating as a food. What are they? So we know cereals, pulses, vegetables. Isn't children? Yes, cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables. So we learnt already cereals. Under cereals, cereals means davasa. See that it comes under wheat, jowar, ragi, rice. These are all main cereals. Davasagalu, ragi, jola, bhatta, godi. So we are eating as part of plant. Okay. So then pulses ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಧಾನ್ಯ, ಈ ಕಾಳುಗಳು, ಬೇಳೆ ಕಾಳುಗಳು. Mommy will prepare no dal. Then that is moong dal, gram dal, black gram, chena dal, tur dal. Means ತೊಗರಿ ಬೇಳೆ, ಉದ್ದಿನ ಬೇಳೆ. Mommy is telling no to bring ತೊಗರಿ ಬೇಳೆ, ಉದ್ದಿನ ಬೇಳೆ, ಕಡಲೆ ಬೇಳೆ, ಹೆಸರು ಬೇಳೆ, ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು. These are all dals. So that we call pulses. ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳು. Okay. Cereals means dhavasa, means ragi, jowar, wheat. These are all pulses and pulses cereals. Pulses means moong dal, chana dal, tur dal. So these are all pulses. Then fruits, as usual fruits, apple, mango, pineapple, then grapes. These are all fruits. And vegetables, potato, tomato, brinjal, onion. These are all vegetables. Where we get all these? From plants. As a part of a plant we get. Okay. Some part of a plant we are eating as food. So these are all. So using these cereals and pulses, so we will get lot of energy from cereals and pulses. A lot of energy we will get. Okay. We know already in the previous class. And fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. This keeps us healthy, and vitamins and minerals also will get. Vitamin and minerals. Okay. Will also get. So from cereals and pulses we'll get a lot of energy. We are eating cereals, pulses. Every day we are using in our meals. Isn't it, children? Yes. So we'll get a lot of energy, and we are using fruits, vegetables. That keeps us healthy also, and vitamins, minerals will get from fruits and vegetables. And also we'll get some food from animals. That means milk, egg, then fish, then meat. Meat means chicken, mutton. So, and from milk we will prepare, we will make cheese, butter, then curd. These are all we'll prepare from milk. And also honey we'll get. So we'll get honey bee. from honey. Okay, we get honey bee from honey, and the egg will get from hen. Isn't children will get from cow milk. Then fish meat will get from chicken, means a hen or goat. So all these food we will get from animals. So milk is called a complete food. Okay, these are all healthy food, and it also to keeps our body strong. And it also, some food also helps to grow. Some food also helps to grow. Which food is helps to grow? We will see now. So helps to grow. Which food helps to grow? So milk. Isn't children? Egg, fish, dal, meat. These are all helps to grow, and some food help us, gives us energy, gives us energy. Some food gives us energy to do the work, isn't children? So which are that food? So that is rice, chapati, sugar, butter. So bread, these are all. So etc. These are all food gives us energy, and these are all food. Milk, egg, fish, dal, meat, these are all gives us, these are all help us to grow, and these food gives us energy. Up to we did in the previous class. Now, so now we'll move next point, meal we eat. See, do you eat all your food all together? Tell me. All of you will eat all your food all together. Together you will eat all the food, morning, afternoon, evening, snacks, all together you will eat at a time? No, we are not eat food all together. So we eat food on different time. We eat food on different times of the day. Isn't it, children? Yes, that food we take in at a fixed time is called a meal. The food we take on fixed time. The food we take on fixed time every day is called meal. Okay, we are taking some fixed time, so that food we called as meal. For example, generally we are taking, rice, chapati, roti curry, ragi balls, cooked vegetables, fruits, vegetables, soup, egg, salads, then fish, meat. Isn't children, we are all taking sandwich, egg, milk, egg, these are all every day we are taking. So every day we are, usually we are taking chapati, then bread, cooked vegetables. Mommy will prepare in the sambar, isn't children? Cooked vegetables. Then soup, egg, meat, then salads, dal. See, these are all food we are taking every day. So generally we are eating morning chapati, isn't no afternoon lunch. So that is rice, sambar or roti curry, isn't? See, these are all egg, meat, dal, salad, bread, cooked vegetables, fruits. These are all fruits, these are all vegetable food we are eating every day. So, can you tell me the meals? How many meals we will eat in a day? Can you tell me how many meals will you eat per a day? Yes, we eat 3 big meals. So, we eat 3 big meals per day. In a day, we are eating 3 big meals. So, eat 3 big meals in a day. Okay. So, what are they? You know, early morning, what you will eat? Yes, you are taking breakfast. You are eating breakfast. Then, lunch. Then, dinner. So, 3 big meals we are taking. So, we eat 3 big meals in a day. That is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So, let me see one by one. Breakfast. So, tell me, at what time you will eat breakfast? Early morning. So, morning. We should always start the day with breakfast. Yes. We should always start the day with breakfast. Isn't children? Yes, early morning when you are finished your bath, then mommy will shouting, yes, come and eat breakfast, come. Before going to the school, you eat a little bit breakfast. Empty stomach, don't go in empty stomach. Eat little bit breakfast. She will shout every day for all of you. Isn't it? Yes. So, we start the day with breakfast. So, it is the first meal. It is the first meal we eat in the morning. So, it is the first meal. We eat in the morning. So, breakfast. We should always start the day with breakfast. It is the first meal we eat in the morning. And it gives energy to work. What will it give? It gives energy to work. Whole day you have to work, isn't it, children? Some parents, they will go to work. Mommy will do some kitchen, some home. She will do some work in the home, and you will go to the school, and after coming to the school you will play, isn't no? So these are all energy. Where we'll get some breakfast? So it gives us energy, okay, to do some work. Okay, so we eat 3 big meals in a day, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. See, breakfast is the first meal. So it is the first meal we eat in the morning. We should always start the day with breakfast. It gives energy to work. Then come to the second one, that is lunch. Come to the second part, so that is lunch. Lunch means, so it is the second meal. Is the second meal of a day. Okay. So it is the second meal of a day. So we eat afternoon. At what time we are taking the lunch? We eat afternoon. We eat afternoon or midday. Isn't children? So when you are in the class, when you are in the school, so the lunch break, you have lunch break. At what time? After 12 o'clock. You have no. So that is the midday. So lunch, at what time you are eating? Afternoon or midday. So it is the second meal and we eat, it is in the afternoon or midday. Then come to the third one, dinner. So, dinner. It is the third meal we eat at night. So, is the third meal we eat at night. So, dinner. Usually we are taking dinner at night. So, it is the third meal we eat at night. Sometimes Papa will come and tell you, we will go for dinner. When he finished office, when he came home, so he will tell, let we go dinner. So, at night, okay. So, we eat at night. That food we called as, that meal we called as dinner. So it is the third meal of the day. So we eat the dinner at night. So at night we should not eat a heavy meals because we are not doing any work. After finished your dinner, what you will do? We'll go and sleep. Isn't children? So that's why we are not doing any work. So after finishing the dinner, that's why we can't eat. We should not eat a heavy meals. So we should not eat heavy meals at night. So this is about meals we are taking per day. So in a day, how many meals we are taking? That is 3 big meals we are taking. So that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, we should always start our day with breakfast. It is the first meal of a day. We eat in the morning and it gives energy to work. Then second, lunch. It is the second meal. So we are eating afternoon or midday. So we should not eat dinner, heavy meals at night. So these are all the about meals what we are taking in a day. Then come to now we'll see good eating habits. Good food habits are good eating habits. Which are all the good eating habits. Which are all the good eating habits or good food habits? We will see. First one, we should always wash our hands before and after the meals. This is the one important thing. Where you are playing and you are coming, then you are suddenly asking to mommy will give. I am hungry, so much hungry. Give to me, give to something to eat. You will show no, shouted to your mummy. Yes. So before you are going to eat, you should wash your hands and also after finishing your food. So you should wash your hands. That means always wash your hands before and after eating. Okay, let me write full. You are. So this is the one good habit, eating habits, and always eat fresh food. This is very important. Always eat fresh food. So you should avoid eating junk food or bakery item or oily food. So you should eat fresh food, and you should also avoid eating outside food also. You should avoid eating outside food and junk food and oily food. So then chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. Okay, chew your food properly and slowly. Chew your food slowly and properly. You should chew. Chew means agyodu. You should chew the food properly, slowly and properly. Then we should never waste the food. Don't waste the food. How much you want, that much only you should eat. Okay? Don't waste the food. Never waste the food. Then always drink plenty of water. Always drink plenty of water. See, per day you should drink per day minimum 8 glasses of water. You should drink minimum, that too minimum 8 glasses of water. You should plenty is tumba neer kudibeku. You should drink plenty of water. It helps to digest the food easily. So if you didn't drink the food, your food won't become digest. So you should drink plenty of water, at least minimum 6 to 8 glasses of water you should drink. It helps us to digest our food easily. Then we must drink 8 glasses of water. I told you already. So then rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth after every meal. After every meal. So these are all good eating habits. See, let me recall it once. So always wash your hands before and after eating. Then always eat fresh food or avoid eating outside food or junk food. Then chew your food slowly and properly. So never waste the food. How much you want, that much only you have to eat the food. Okay, so always drink plenty of water. It helps to digest the food what we eat, isn't children? Yeah. And then last, rinse your mouth. Rinse andre, sometimes see children what will do, so you are eating the food and you will ran away, ran outside to play, isn't children? Don't do that. After finishing your food, you should rinse your mouth. Means by namuklesi chennai neer kudibeku. So that is rinse your mouth after every meal. Are you understood, children? These are all about good food habit, good eating habits. That is food we eat. This is all about food we eat. Now we will recall it once, that points, which points to be remembered. So we need food to live. We know. So we need food to live. The sources of food are plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Some food, cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, all these food we'll get from plants. And milk, egg, meat, these are all we'll get from animals. So then we have 3 meals, big meals of a day. That means breakfast, lunch and dinner. Then we should wash our hands before and after eating, and we should drink a plenty of water. These are all the important points to keep in your mind. We should drink a plenty of water every day. Understood, children? This is about food we eat. Now, the assignment class today now. So you should take assignment. That means homework. Take out your homework book. Take out pencil, eraser, everything. Okay. That is homework. Okay. The first main is give three names of each. That is in that A. Fruits. We should write 3 fruits names. Okay. Then we should write vegetables, 3 vegetables name. Then cereals. You write which are the cereals. Then pulses. Then animal food. Now tell me. Tell me fruits name. Yes. Apple, mango, orange. Which fruits you know, then you write that names. Vegetables. Vegetables means potato, then tomato and brinjal. Isn't children? Yes. Cereals. Cereals means wheat, rice and jowar or ragi. Okay. Then come to the pulses. Pulses. Moong dal, chana dal, moong dal, chana dal, then gram dal. Okay. Then come to animal food. Which are the animal food? Yes, milk we'll get from cow, isn't it? Yes. Then egg we'll get from hen. Then meat we'll get from hen and goat. Meat means chicken or mutton. Okay. Then come to the second main. Name the 5 things made out of milk. Name the 5 things made out of milk. Tell me which are the 5 things made out of milk? Yes, that is butter, ghee, curd, then paneer and cheese. Okay, then come to the third main, match the following. Here one side I am writing the name of meals. Okay, lunch, breakfast and dinner. You should match it. Meal in the morning, meal in the night, meal in the afternoon. So you should match. Lunch at what time? Meal in the afternoon. Breakfast, meal in the morning. Dinner, meal in the meal at night. So meal at night. Okay. So this is homework for you. You should write how many times? 2 times in the homework book. Okay. These are all the homeworks. See, first main, give 3 names of each: fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses and animal food. Second main, name the 5 things made out of milk. Then third main, match the following. Okay. This is for homework. You have to write 2 times in the homework book and you should learn all these spellings. So without knowing the spellings, you can't write anything in the test. Isn't it, children? So you should thorough these spellings. So, and you should read, go once, read textbook once. Then we will see the exercise part in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.